Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make egg biryani. Let's start the recipe. Take a strong pan and heat it in the stove. Once the pan gets heat, add 2 teaspoons of ghee and 1 teaspoon of oil. Once ghee is melted, add cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaf, cloves and star anise. Add 2 chopped onions. Stir it well. Once the onion color changes, add some salt. Mix it well. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Stir it well until the raw smell goes out. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder and 2 teaspoon biryani masala powder. Once mixed well, add 2 chopped tomatoes. Mix it until the tomato becomes like a paste. Add chopped mint and chopped coriander. Mix it well. Now add half cup of thick curd and mix it completely. Add water in the ratio of 1:1.5 glass if rice is soaked or 1:2 glass. Mix it well and close the pan. I have taken 4 boiled eggs and cutting slightly to make the masala to enter inside. Heat a pan and add some oil. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, chilli powder and pepper powder. Mix it well with the oil. And add those eggs. Fry in the masala. Now adding the rice. Close the lid. Now rice is in the half level cooking. Now we have to add the eggs prepared with the masala. Mix it well and close it. Stove flame should be lowered. Now the tastiest egg biryani is ready. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thank you.